Welcome to Archiesense. This project conceptually adds 2 cottages on top of an existing house. One cottage is used for the parents' bedroom and facilities, while the other cottage becomes the children's bedroom. Blackened cedar cladding wraps each cottage, giving it a strong and cheerful visual character. This cladding is also used consistently on the interior and exterior, emphasizing the autonomy of each cottage. The transformation of the house creates a more open atmosphere with abundant natural light. The center of the house is designed with a large void and north-facing clerestory windows, allowing light to enter. The blackened cedar walls dim this light, creating a warm and cozy atmosphere in the living area. The ground floor of the house is designed as a flowing open space, connecting the various activities in the house seamlessly. The cottages that jut out to the rear of the house frame a covered terrace, creating an ideal outdoor space for family events and recreational activities.